Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So today we'll be continuing discussing the business environment. So we'll discuss portion of topic. So last time we discussed about the uh, topic in the business environment, initial topic. So today we'll have this human resources, sorry, functional areas of business. So the functional areas of business, we have the human resources. So HR, no? Responsible for recruiting, training, employee relations, performance management, and compliance with employment laws. No? Example, Unilever's HR department runs leadership, development programs, and diversity initiatives globally. This application ensures the business attracts, retains, and develops a skilled workforce. No? So HR is recruiting a workers that will go to help in the operation, create people to strengthen and then to transform its vision mission towards the reality. So another functional areas we have finance. So we know finance is concerned about the money. So the finance department manages budgeting, accounting, financial reporting, investment decisions, and ensuring liquidity. So everything about money matters is job of the finance department. So example in the Apple company, finance team manage multi-billion dollar investments, complex global tax structures. So this is the job of the finance investments to to strengthen the finances of the company. Multiple too many times. Okay, application helps make strategic financial decisions and ensures regulatory compliance. So that's finance. In operations, these are the manufacturing or the delivery of the services. So involve day-to-day processes, producing goods or delivering services efficiently. Example, Toyota uses lean manufacturing in its operations to eliminate waste and improve efficiency. This application ensures that product services are delivered efficiently and meet quality standards. So that's operation. So operations work also in logistics and marketing. So marketing focus, another function is marketing. Focus on promoting products, services, understanding customers' needs, market research, and branding. So marketing is usually in some companies sales and marketing. So they try to find the market share, the the customers, no? Improving its customers, widening my market shares, tantamount to increase in revenue. Example, Nike's marketing team uses sponsorship and social media campaign to engage global audiences. Recognition, drive sales and customer engagement through strategic promoting and branding. So that's marketing. Another thing is customer service. This is the most important. To retain the customer, we need this. This supports customers before, during, and after purchases, enhances satisfaction and loyalty. So customer service goal is to stick the client with them forever. So example, Amazon customer service provides 24/7 live chat, returns, handling, and fast issue resolution. That's why Amazon is the number one because they have 14 days money back. Application builds brand loyalty and resolves customers' concern to improve retention. Another function is procurement. So materials. So usually in procurement, materials is the key in the operations. Good quality materials means good product. And also procurement, when handling properly, company can save a lot of money. Example, I worked in a company before. So one component usually $10 each. So we find the substitutes that is $0.1. Usually we are using 100,000 unit per year. So translate into a 9.9 times 100,000. That is the profit. Not yet operating, but money makes money. Company makes money because of the procurement. Finding the substitutes. No? So balance with quality. So this is procurement involves sourcing, that is looking for the alternative raw materials, components, or services required for operations. Normally, we in manufacturing uh, we subcontract, and then that makes company saves its money by half. For example, 350 million slash into half. So procurement is a big savings actually when done properly. So for McDonald's procurement team sources ingredients globally while ensuring quality and consistency. So application ensures that business obtains high quality goods at the best price to support production. Yeah, it should be balanced with profitability and quality. So this is our presentation for functional areas. We have the human resource, marketing, finance, production, procurement. So key vital business function in the business. No? So we will continue our discussion in the next session. I'll see you soon. Thank you.